Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone model and iOS are compatible, then enable airplane mode to disable cellular radios. Once done, open Control Center or Settings and turn on Wi-Fi. You can also enable Bluetooth if you need accessories. Why this order? Airplane mode blocks cellular by default, but allows manual reactivation of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for onboard networks and peripherals. Make sure you have any airline SSID or onboard network name handy before. Now connect. Tap the airline SSID in Wi-Fi settings and wait for the device to join. Once associated, the captive portal should open automatically. If not, open Safari and load any page to trigger it. Follow prompts to accept terms, log in, or buy a pass. While connected, you can pair Bluetooth headphones or keyboards. Pairing works fine in airplane mode because Bluetooth remains active. Keep data-heavy apps minimized because in-flight networks often have bandwidth limits and high latency. Finish by verifying the connection. Load a simple web page or send a short message to confirm access. If the portal fails to appear, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, forget the network and reconnect, or open a browser and navigate to a neutral URL to force the portal. Make sure airplane mode remains on so cellular stays off. If problems persist, restart the iPhone or ask flight crew for the correct SSID and any special login steps. They can often resolve account or payment hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.